Doesn't even need the steamer. Why do I feel like we've been here before?
That's because you have. These guys have collectively renovated over 10 properties and have all this experience to share for free on one channel.
So I've got my dad to help me out today.
Cheap labor.
So this is the old type of wallpaper. That would have been a hazard if you can see it. So that's all's got to be removed. Some more tools.
A thank you would be nice.
Yeah, this is better actually, it's not the cheap food.
No, it's easier, but this is what a fire hazard, isn't it? Remember this?
Yeah, that's what I've had in my hand.
Now whatever you do, make sure you don't break a hole in this. I think it might be a lap behind the walls.
What's that?
Lap, it's like, you know those wood strips type of thing?
Oh.
Yeah, and then to repair that it's a lot more.
The house gets very hot as well, you know.
Wait, isn't this hazardous to breathe in? Okay, I'm going.
It's not your feet. Isn't that it's not?
Good progress, lads. Good progress. Trying to remove the skirting board paint, and we don't know if it's oil paint, water-based paint. So the main thing we're going to try and do is just take it off, and for that we're using a heat gun. So you got heat for a few seconds, and then you can slowly scrape that off bit by bit. Sure you get the idea. Yeah. Ow, burn me. Some areas don't even require a heat gun, it just works. For example, the paint here is just literally flaking off, so we're just taking it off manually.
So if you want to save on electricity, then just do something like this.
Off the top.
Yeah, but try to do it like, I'm going to do it like that.
I'll do it again, I think.
Like that.
Look, I'll show you. Look. Right, so you're pulling off plaster. Actually, sorry, if you're pulling off wallpaper, stuff like this will happen. Plaster can crack off the wall. Try and be as careful as you can, because the less you have to repair, the better for you, really. All right, a few hours later, even the ceilings you guys got done. It's not bad. Thanks, Dad.
I don't think he likes doing wallpaper.
Guys, if you want to see every stage of this renovation, you know what to do. Until the next video.